Today I am going to try some Korean style inspired nails. I've always thought some Korean style nails are cute, so I hope that what I'm going to do today will turn out as good as these Instagram pictures that I see, or Pinterest, whichever one, you know what I mean.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me.
Hey guys, so I am going to be doing both my hands today, although I am going to be showing you myself doing my right hand, my dominant hand. I have no length on my left hand, although I do have length on my right hand. I am going to be using nail foams for both my hands. I'm going to be using Builder Gel. I've used nail foams before. I'm going to link the video up in the cards of where I used the nail foams for the first time. I was using Builder Gel there as well. So yeah, I just want to see the difference of when I use the nail foam on my hand with a little bit of nail length and when I don't have length at all. So as you can see, I have gone ahead and done my left hand using my dominant hand off camera, because like I said, I am going to be showing you myself doing my right hand. And as you can see, it's not much of a really neat application, but please ignore that, okay? I'm not really good with nail forms either way, and I haven't done Builder Gel in a long time. So first I'm going to go on and do my right hand. I'm gonna prep my right hand. I'm gonna go on and buff off the shine of my natural nails using the sanding band.
You can put 100 grams on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it.
And then I am going to go on with this nail drill bits that I don't know what it's called. I'm just going to clean up the cuticle areas. I know they're called like epinicium areas, but I'm not really sure. But yeah, I'm just going to clean up my nails all together, just to make sure that these last, because I do want to keep them, so no peel off base for these.
That day comes as I go on. God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go on. God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
And this is how the nails are looking after I have filed off the shine and prepped a little bit of the epinicium area. So I'm just going to cut off the dry skin on my epinicium area. In fact, I should be using cuticles because I don't know what exactly epinicium means. I am going to do my research regarding that, but yeah, I'm going to be cutting off all the dead skin on my fingernails and just make sure that all the skin that's left is not dry, because I already have dry hands and it's looking all crusty, okay? So yeah, so I'm just cutting off the cuticle, the dead skin on the cuticle areas, and then I'm gonna go on with primer onto my nails. Make sure all my nails are primed. I did wipe off the dust of my fingers before I did this, of course. And today I am going to be using clear rubber-based gel. So I'm going to be using rubber-based gel from Bling Girl that I got from China Mall. And yeah, just to strengthen my nails. And then I'm going to do the nails on top of this rubber-based gel. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this rubber-based coat onto my nails, just to make sure that, you know, I'm giving my nails a lot of strength, because I'm not going to be using nail tips. Not that I don't put on 2 coats when I use nail tips. I still do, but you know what I mean. Just layer that rubber-based gel to make sure that your nails are nice and strong, okay? Okay. And this is how the nails are looking after the 2 coats of rubber-based gel has been applied. Now I'm just going to wipe off the tacky layer of the rubber-based gel. And yeah, I'm just going to leave the nails dry, and then I'm going to go on and, you know, do the nails without the tacky layer. I haven't used builder gel on rubber base gel and the tacky layer, so I don't know the difference of, you know, how the nails would look, but yeah, or how they would last either. So yeah, here I'm just going to be doing my pointer finger. I've already gone on and struggled with doing the thumb, and of course I did record it, but I am gonna cut it out because I did struggle a lot. Like, it's not easy. Already it wasn't easy me doing this on my left hand, so imagine doing it on my right hand with my non-dominant hand, because my dominant hand is a right hand. So I was already struggling doing the thumb, so I am going to cut off that that video footage rather. So I thought, let me just record myself doing the pointer finger. Hopefully this time it'll go well. I don't know. I decided I'll be using the nail foam finger per finger. Like, I'm not an expert, so I can't be putting all nail foams on all my fingernails because I'm already struggling. So I thought, let me just put on one nail foam on the nail that I'm going to be working on, focus on that nail, remove it, and do the same on the rest of the fingers, because child, until I get to that level where I'm confident with nail foams, then I'll do, you know, put on nail foams on all my nails all together. Otherwise I was just like, no way, I'm struggling. And these were not as sticky, so they kept on opening up while I was working. So yeah, I'm still struggling to keep them, you know, closed. So as you can see, I just put on a layer that extends my nail, and then I remove the foam altogether because I'm struggling, okay? So I just make sure that I've got the length covered, and then I'm gonna build the nail without the nail foam there. I don't think I need the nail foam for that. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do on all of my fingers. And this is how all my nails are looking all together. My hands are so sticky, so I am going to wipe off the sticky layer off my hands. As you saw, I did use very short nail foams, and of course I was going for a short look. These Korean style nails are usually short nails, so I find them really cute. So yeah, I am gonna wash my hands before I come back and file, because child, my hands are sticky. Excuse the not so neat application, okay? Because yeah, it hasn't been easy. So I'm going to go on and file my nails right now, and I actually really forgot how simple it is to file like polygel or builder gel. Like, it's so soft. It doesn't require much effort to do this. It just felt so easy to do this, and that's why I'm using a very fine file. Like 100, 180 is just, it's really good to file down the builder gel. I don't need an 80 file or 80 grit file for this because it's very soft, you know. This is how the nails are looking after I have filed off the nails. I'm going to be using the cuticle oil to clean up the cuticle areas, and actually use a ball bit nail gel to clean up those cuticle areas. I am trying my best to ensure that my application is neat, but this time you saw that my application wasn't neat, so at least let me work on making sure that my work looks neat as I go. So that's what I'm doing. I saw this, I want to say, hack from Acrylic Cure, Lucy. I think she used to be Lucy Nailed It, I don't know, but her name is Lucia. She does this when she files her nails, and I'm like, wow, maybe that would help with my crusty cuticles, because I tend to nip my cuticle areas and I hurt myself, and that's why most of the times my application isn't neat. So I stay away from the cuticles, and then it looks like I've had my nails for 6 weeks, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna buff off my nails right now. Make sure that all the scratches are removed. Like I said, this is builder gel, so I don't really need to do much. Very soft, very simple. Love it. after buffing my nails, I'm just gonna wipe off the dust of the nails, and then yeah, just so I can work without dust. There's dust everywhere. If you can look at my hands, like they're really dirty, but let's ignore that. I'm gonna be using this builder gel to adhere the pigment powders, but I used the wrong base gel because this one is the one with glitter. I've used this base gel when I did some of my glitter nails in the past, so I'm going to be using this base gel instead, and I'm going to apply it, and hopefully it will be good enough for me to adhere or to put on the pigment powders. So I'm not going to remove the tacky layer of the base gel, and then I'm going to put on this pink pigment powder onto my nail. Hopefully it works as well as you know how it does when I put on pigment powder on my white. But yeah, it's treating like it just looks like I'm putting on pigment powder on a wet nail, so that doesn't work. So I don't know, let me try applying this on a dry nail. Okay, just as I thought, doesn't work. So what's the plan? What do I do? Okay, so I think I'm going to use the blooming gel with this Bling Girl pink color 047 that I got from Pretty Nails Uncut. Thank you once again. So I'm just going to apply this builder gel onto my nail, and then I am going to use a dotting tool to put a blob of that pink onto the nail and see if it blooms. And it's not blooming. It's not doing what I wanted to do. So I'm just going to wipe that off. So this is what I did. I did this off camera, so I like the outcome. Basically what I did is I mixed the Bling Girl pink gel with the Bling Girl top coat for the base of my nail, so that it looks a little bit more pink and not too nude. And I'm just gonna apply that on my nails. Basically, when I cure that, I didn't wipe off the tacky layer, and I just like put on the pigment powder on top of the cured gel. So basically, just to make that pink look sheer, I did mix it with the top coat, and that's how I got that sheer pink. So yeah, now that I have put on the pigment powder on my nails, I will wipe off the excess, and then I'm going to use this glue gel to put on the hearts onto my nails. These are color changing. They are clear right now, but when I cure them, they have this bright or dark pink. Although I feel like now that I'm looking at this, I feel like my pink is dark. I mean, here are the nails cured. I don't know, I feel like the pinky is the lightest I wanted all my nails to look. And let me show you what the hearts look like when they're exposed to UV lights. And you know, that's how the hearts are looking. They're dark, but I feel like the background, the pink pigment powder is too dark. I should have made it a bit lighter so that those hearts pop when they are exposed to UV lights. I don't know, but anyway, I'm just gonna apply top coat onto my nails because I'm essentially done with this nail set. This is all I'm gonna do on these nails. And this is how the nails are looking after I have applied the top coat. So I'm just gonna stick my left hand into the UV lamp to show you the difference between the hearts when one is exposed to UV lights and one is not, to show you how one is dark, like the ones that are exposed to UV lights are darker than the ones that are not. But I feel like the pink is too dark that you can't really tell the hearts are there. So I'm not really happy about that. I could have made the pink a little bit lighter. What do you guys think? how would you guys improve this nail set if you were the ones doing it? Please give me some constructive criticism in the comment section below. Otherwise, if it wasn't for that, I feel like I would love the nail set altogether. The difference with doing nails and using nail forms on my left hand, which didn't have any length, to my right hand, which had a little bit of length, is that my left hand, the nails are a bit shorter. And that's understandably so, because I didn't have any length to work with. And then my right hand, which had a little bit of length, you know, I feel like they're a little bit longer, but no one will know. No one will know. If you're still watching this far, please leave a pink heart emoji in the comment section to let me know. Also, please ignore the flooded pink on my cuticle areas. Like, I literally don't know. I don't know how to fix that. And as soon as I cured, after that, I'll see that the nails are flooded. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, honey. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Funkilla.